Hello, welcome to RePneu Tool and Supply. My name is Dennis. Today I'm here to help you with the initial setup of your new Proset XT Series Rivet tool. Now that you've received your new Proset XT Series tool, you're going to want to get right at it. But stop. Open the flap slowly. Take in that new tool smell. Oh, that's great. Take it out of the box. If everything looks good, we can move on to getting your tool set up for your particular use. Depending on the new XT Series tool you've purchased, they will set the following fasteners and sealing plugs in a variety of materials. Really, the only thing you're going to have to change will be the nose piece, depending on the mandrel diameter that you're going to use. So we have some of those here. This happens to be set up for a 3/32 rivet, which would take this smaller guide tube and the jaw pusher. Now we'll take this out because we're going to be using an 1/8 inch rivet. So we'll take this, find the appropriate nose piece, and thread that back in, and we'll tighten that up, and you're done. Now, from the factory, these should come lubricated, these jaws that are in here. But I don't always trust them. So what I like to do is go ahead and take this apart, pull the lock back, and unthread it. And after you get so far, you don't need to hold that any longer. But then I take the jaws out. So what I'd like to do is get this cleaned out. You can use a rag, paper towel, but I like to go in and clean that out, make sure there's no contaminants in there. And then we take some black lithium grease, and we'll re-lubricate that inside. And you really only need to re-lubricate the tapered section. You don't need anything on the threads. We'll set that aside for a second, and we'll go now and look at the jaws. We just want to get the old grease, if there's anything on them, off, and then we'll reinstall them, or reinsert them into the jaw guide. And you'll be able to see there, this is a 3-jaw system, so we'll have 3 jaws in here. And then come back and we'll re-thread that on. Pull the lock back, run it all the way down, release the lock, and let it come back to the first notch. And then you're done there. So then we can move on to reinstalling the nose housing. So at this point you're set up. The only thing you may want to do is on the mandrel collection bottle, this exhaust vent is adjustable. So you can turn that. If you're right-handed like I am, you may not want that blowing against you, so you can turn it off to the side. So once we have that done and you've adjusted the vent, you're ready to go. Every tool in the series is designed to be lightweight and comfortable for the operator while maintaining production and keeping maintenance costs low for the business. Well, hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, please give us a call if we can answer any of your questions. The number is 989-720-3636, and you can also leave a comment down below. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, you take care.